What's up, everybody? And I'm back. It's your boy Kingzay. Let's watch some. Let's play. I still was watching videos. Let's play some games. Let's go to Kai Leon G. Let's go to Kai Leon G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's go to New Force 3 million. Let's go to nobody. Let's play. Okay, he'll figure. I can just like margarita. I never actually played this one, so this is a little different for me. Well, I think I have played this. Probably my first time getting this far, though. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not the greatest player in this game. You probably can't see, but I'm only on level 7. There we go. Hurry up before it starts turning red. Or before I die. See, that's why I said hurry up. Well, I guess I'm ending this video right here. Hope y'all enjoyed me playing my game, and talk to y'all later. Bye, YouTube.